Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ratchet screwdrivers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Engineer right-angled ratchet screwdriver plus 6 bits. Engineer have made another essential problem-solving tool with their low-profile right-angled ratcheting screwdriver. Slim and agile, the dimensions of this screwdriver are perfect for when you just can't get at a screw head-on. Sometimes even a stubby screwdriver will struggle to get into position, so this is the best snap-on ratchet screwdriver for tight spots. The Engineer's super low-profile ratchet direction selector is a handy innovation. It sits by your thumb during use, ready to switch direction without having to remove the tool from the screw. This, as well as the round dial at the top of the screwdriver, meant that screwing in and out with this right-angled screwdriver was fast, accurate and comfortable. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita P9007 13-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. It's no secret that Makita makes some of the most trusted power tools. Their drills and saws can be found on building sites as well as workshops around the world. It's no surprise then that the P9007 13-in-1 is one of the best ratcheting screwdrivers available right now. What I like the most about this screwdriver is the quick change magnetic bit holder. It holds the bits nice and securely and has a positive knurled surface for extra grip. It's removable and can be used as a bit holder in your combi drill or impact driver if you need it as well. The handle section is rubberized and fits neatly into the hand. If you unscrew the bottom of the screwdriver, you can take out the pair of multi-bit holders. Inside, you get a collection of 25mm and 50mm long bits including the ever-useful Torx and hex bits. At number 3, we have the MaxPower 18-piece magnetic ratchet screwdriver and bit set. The MaxPower brand is responsible for stacks of useful hand tools and other accessories from pipe wrenches to breaker bars. Their magnetic ratchet screwdriver comes with a decent selection of 16 different driver bits that will work for just about any job in front of you. The ergonomically shaped handle fits well in the hand and even holds 6 different bits as a handy quick change feature. You can plug the bits directly into the ratcheting handle or add the 1/4 magnetized extension shank when you need some extra reach. The ratcheting system means you can select from forward, reverse, or locked by twisting the collar above the handle. The rest of the bits that don't fit into the handle include a useful selection of small chrome vanadium nut drivers, small hex bits, and a trio of posy driv sizes. It's a whole toolkit in just one handle, and seeing as the bits are standard 1/4 diameter, you can swap them out for any of the others in your collection. At number 2, we have the Engineer low-profile stubby ratcheting palm screwdriver. This is the sort of tool that you might not use every day, but there will be days when only this Engineer's stubby palm screwdriver will do the job. The tiny body is perfect for getting into the smallest spaces where no other screwdriver will reach. It's the best ratchet screwdriver for tight access areas, as it can even be fitted into gaps less than 4 centimeters wide. Perfect for awkward fixings found in cars or on pieces of equipment. The ratcheting system on the palm screwdriver was robust and felt like it could take a lot of torque. Although it only came with one Phillips No. 2 bit, it's a common size and doesn't reflect on the overall usefulness of this palm screwdriver. It's the sort of tool that you keep with you for when it's the only one that will get you out of a tight spot. And finally at number 1, we have the SYSYLY 11-in-1 multi-bit magnetic screwdriver. If you want a decent multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver, but you don't want to pay out for a big brand version, SYSYLY have you covered. Their multi-bit magnetic screwdriver is comfortable to use and comes with a good selection of different bits. What makes this one of the best ratcheting screwdrivers I've tested out is the telescopic shank. By twisting the collar, you can then extend the bit holder in 5 cm increments to get into the tightest spots. It's a really handy feature on an already clever little multi-tool. By folding out the yellow section, 10 of the 11 included bits can be stored away inside the handle. The range is decent and even includes several security bits that might come in handy one day. The last handy feature is the magnetizer/demagnetizer accessory that comes with it.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.